Jai Jinendra! My family and I had gone for camping to a very green and beautiful forest. There were signboards everywhere with a warning, "Beware of black bears." My brother and I were playing frisbee, and out of nowhere, a black bear came behind my brother. Oh no! My younger brother was standing right there, and he didn't even know that the bear was standing right behind him. What do I do now? The bear is a lot more powerful than me. I can't even fight with him to save my brother. Should I try? Oh no, this bear will kill me and eat me. Ah, I cannot do anything. Well, in such kind of scary situations, everybody will think of saving their own lives first, right? But today, I'll tell you a story of a brave pig who, without even thinking once of himself, his life, he fought with a cruel animal who was much more powerful than him. There was a village named Ghat in Malavdesh. In that village, there lived a potter whose name was Devil and a barber whose name was Damil. Both of them lived together. They had built a dharmasthan, meaning a stayover place for religious travelers, just like dharmshalas where visitors can stay over. So the potter Devil asked one Muni Maharaj to stay over at the dharmasthan. After that, Dhamil gave one wandering tapasvi some space to stay there. Do you know, Dhamil and that tapasvi together did a very bad thing. They threw Muni Maharaj out of the Dharamshala. Muni Maharaj spent his entire night under a tree where it was very cold and there were many insects or mosquitoes which bit him. Next morning, when Devil got to know about this, he became very angry. Devil and Dhamil got into a big fight and they died. After dying, Devil became a pig, which is known as Sukar or Suar in Hindi, and Dhamil became a cruel, violent, and very dangerous Bagh, meaning tiger. The pig used to live in a cave, which is known as Gufa in Hindi. One day, two Muni Maharaj stopped by in that cave, Muniraj Samadhi Gupt and Trigupt Muniraj. Both the Muniraj were in complete bliss. They were doing meditation and practicing religious austerities in the cave. The moment this pig saw two Muni Maharaj, he immediately recollected his previous birth, which is known as Jati Smaran. Nobody generally remembers their previous birth, but this pig did immediately when he saw the Muni Maharaj. He heard very good religious sermons from the Muni Maharaj and took vrat, meaning religious vows. The pig decided to spend the rest of his life in Dharma. Now he started working for the betterment and upliftment of his soul. One day, Dhamil, whose soul had become tiger now, was in the same jungle and came to the cave while sniffing the smell of a human. When you like some food and your mama cooks that favorite dish of you at home, don't you like the aroma of that food? In the same way, cruel tiger eats humans as food. So tiger approached the cave smelling some human there. The pig realized that the Muni Maharaj's life was in danger. This tiger could eat them. He started thinking that he cannot let these two great peaceful souls getting eaten by a tiger. He was ready to go to any extent to save the lives of these two Muni Maharaj, even if it meant losing his own life. So Devil, the pig, he stood outside the cave as a guard to these two Muni Maharaj. The pig knew that the tiger was more powerful than him, and if he fought with the tiger, he may even lose his life. But to protect Muni Maharaj's life, he did not care about his own life and stood bravely in front of the tiger. So you know what happened next? The pig fought so bravely with the tiger that in the end they both lost their lives. And after dying, the cruel tiger had to go to scary hell, which is full of pain and sadness, since he had violent thoughts and intentions to hurt these two Muni Maharaj. But the brave pig who sacrificed his life after dying went to heaven and became Saudharma Indra, meaning celestial god with special powers. This is a true story and is mentioned in our important Jain scripture Ratnakarandak Shravkacharji. Kids, can we imagine that a normal creature like pig would even be mentioned in our important scripture? See, this is what the fruits of good intention and charity are. That pig gave place for the Muni Maharaj to stay, which is also a type of charity. And to protect the Muni Maharaj, the pig even sacrificed his life. That's why the pig's name is now famous in the Jain scriptures and books. What an inspiration for all of us, isn't it? Jai Jinendra!